Hello, ladies and gentlemen, Six Fig Stock Trader here on YouTube, and today we're going to be talking CKB, Voyager Token, and Bitcoin. I've got some information indicating a major market move coming up. You're not going to want to miss this. So welcome back to the channel, everyone. If you haven't already, please like the video and subscribe. Subscribing is free, as we all know, but liking the video is the easiest way to help the channel out. The growth has been amazing, and I've been so thankful to interact and meet all of you on the channel. Now, for the last week and a half on CKB, maybe 2 weeks, I've been discussing the possibilities of Elliott wave theory. And then I've been discussing the possibilities of an inverse head and shoulders. Now we're looking at this on a daily chart, folks. So I'm thinking what we might see, we'll start off with this inverse head and shoulders theory, is that we might see price action come up and kiss this 200 moving average. Probably right around this time frame, August 20th, somewhere in there. And if that happens, we're going to continue to drag this 200 moving average up like this. And eventually, if price action can break this 200 and pull this 50 moving average up, we will see a nice burst in price, and we will have a golden cross on the charts. So let's get back to this. We can kind of see the inverse head and shoulders forming very nicely. And if we came up here, touched the 200, came back down, and touched off this 50, bouncing again, we can definitely see that a neckline would form very nicely. And this is exactly what I think we're going to see price action do here within the next couple weeks. Let's see if we can uncover any Fibonacci time zone. Either A, identifying when the possibility of a golden cross might occur, when this 200 moving average meets price action, so on and so forth. We won't really know until we know. But right now, I'm kind of looking at this in hindsight. I like what I see. And we can kind of see August 20th, August 21st might be a day that we see price action meet the 200, and this is huge on the daily chart. This means that we have made it above this cloud. Like I've been saying for so long, it's so important that we trade all the way through this cloud. Now we can kind of see that if we draw a little trend line, we can kind of see how price action here stayed on the top of this trend line. Price action here stayed on the bottom of this trend line. It wouldn't surprise me to see the median, intersect with this Fibonacci time sequence and 200 moving average. This is where I think CKB is going to meet the 200 on or around August 21st. Let's get on to Voyager Token, and I am very excited about Voyager Token, folks. This is just one of those sleepers, in my opinion. This isn't financial advice or anything like that, but you can kind of see this chart that I was kind of mashing up on the live stream with Crypto Airborne, who is big into Voyager, and I'll just chop this up so it's nice, short, and sweet. Huge bull flagpole. Exactly what I like to see. And in addition, we have a symmetrical triangle pennant formation. This could be a setup for a major move upwards. I would love to see an impulse wave like this happen. And folks, if it does, Voyager Token, in my opinion, has every ability to come up and possibly retest the $7.78 level. It wouldn't be a surprise to me. In addition, what Voyager app is doing at the moment, they really haven't been promoting too heavy, because you can see they are technically listed under BQX. Now they are doing a symbol swap, so their ticker will read VGX, and then they will start the promotion. Then they will start releasing merch, things like that. This company like Crypto Airborne was saying, he thinks that they have all the right CEOs, stuff like that, in place, and he thinks that some of these CEOs are like the next Jeff Bezos. And this is coming from a guy that worked for Amazon, that gave up a 6-figure year job to trade crypto. So that means a lot to me, and I do trust his opinion on when it comes to crypto for news and things like that. So that's really where we're at with Voyager. But of course, all this kind of rests on the shoulders of Bitcoin and this fight with the 200 moving average. We can see a failed attempt at Elliott wave theory. So the next best thing for Bitcoin to do at this moment in time is to form some sort of ascending triangle or something of that nature. And we can definitely see this playing out with this trend line. Bitcoin seems to be stuck right at this 46.6 level. I've been saying we need to pass this $47,000 level just to get some confidence going. I think that we're seeing Bitcoin kind of pull one of these moves, and I do think we will see a reversal to this downside, and I do think that we might see a $45,000 Bitcoin in the coming days, and at that point in time, I do think Bitcoin's going to make a choice on the daily chart, at least, to move either out of this ending diagonal formation that is happening or up. We need to move upwards, not outwards. So this is huge for Bitcoin. We are running out of time to make this choice with Bitcoin. We're definitely going to know which way the market's going to swing within the next 3 to 5 days. I think if we can get another couple candle closes above this 200, we might be setting up very nicely for the next leg up. But folks, that's really all I've got for you guys today. It's really kind of been a slow couple days with Bitcoin trading sideways. If you see Bitcoin starting to trade under this $45,000 level, don't be too alarmed, but I'd say if we see it kind of trading around this $42,000, $41,000 level, keep your eye on your portfolio, because ending diagonals are just never good to see in any market. Stocks, gold trading, Forex, crypto, it's all relevant. RSI is super high on Bitcoin right now, 73. We can still whiplash up a little bit higher to get us above this 200. Stochastics are way over, but I'm not really concerned as much about the stochastics as I am with the RSI. With that said, I hope you all have wonderful weekends, and I'll catch you guys later.